Airport information, Tango 23530. Wind 340 and 8. Visibility.
Bet you get really good cell phone reception up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just hang out down there by Costco for now, somewhere down that way, okay?
Look at the tops of the trees from this angle. Can you take a picture, like, just looking straight down at a tree? Like that. I've never seen tree taken. They're pretty. Recording. Hi, girl. Hi. I'm trying to send this message to Facebook right now.
Okay.
Right there. There it is. You know those cars look from up here. Oh, did you want to blow a bubble? Can't share with everyone. We should have asked, maybe. Yeah, hang on. Must have some food. They need to clean their pool.
You hear that person screaming, "Hey, in the balloon, can you hear us?"
What?
Person was saying, "Hey, you in the balloon, can you hear us?"
Oh.
Hi! I don't see you, but I hear you.
Where?
Oh, it's on a float. Really?
Don't throw anything up here.
We have bubbles.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
No, I was talking about the people on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
I'll wave to you, but...
I've never seen trees from this angle before.
You know, like, being able to look straight down, but so close, but still kind of high. They look like stars.
Hey, Katie.
Bill,
Yeah.
is it okay if I blow bubbles?
Blow bubbles? Over the side, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Might have to share.
We're going to share. Bubbles don't blow up here.
Keep the bottle inside the basket.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're ready.
They're a little shooken up.
This is really
Yeah, that would be bad.
What?
I guess if you drop it, it'd be like a projectile when it hits the ground.
Oh, yeah.
That's like how they say if you drop a penny from the Space Needle kind of thing. Yeah, don't drop anything.
Knock somebody off.
Yeah.
YouTube video of me?
Yeah.
Are you right now?